question 4. Question 4 says that given that in a particular geometric series we have the sum of the first 3 terms is this, sum to infinity is this, and for this series we need to find the common ratio and the first term. So whatever is given to you, let's write this in the form of the given formulas. When they say sum to first 3 terms is 70.2, so we know the formula for sum of n terms, and that is a 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Okay, so we have it to be a 1 minus r to the power 3, because n is 3 here, over 1 minus r is equals to 70.2. So from this information we get this one equation. Okay, then the second thing they are giving us is sum to infinity is 75. So what is the formula for sum to infinity? The formula for sum to infinity is a over 1 minus r. So sum to infinity is 75. And that is a over 1 minus r equals to 75. Okay, now what we can do, we get these two simultaneous equations, we can solve them together to find out two unknowns, and that are a and r. So the first thing that we should be doing is let's keep this formula as the subject of a. So a becomes equals to 75 times 1 minus r. Substitute this into the first equation, it will become 75 times 1 minus r over 1 minus r cube over 1 minus r equals 70.2. Okay, so one thing, I think so I have added somewhere, yeah, a is 75 times 1 minus r, and then we have 1 minus r cube and over 1 minus r, because we are substituting in this place, in this a we are substituting this. So let's correct this. 75 times 1 minus r times 1 minus r cube over 1 minus r is equals to 70.2. So what we can do, we can cancel this 1 minus r and 1 minus r. Now our equation becomes independent of a. Now it will become 75 times 1 minus r cube. Now we need to isolate r. Okay, so what we will be doing, 1 minus r cube is equals to 70.2 over 75. Then r cube is equals to 1 minus 70.2 over 75. So let's solve it for r. We will get it to be 1 minus 0.064 is this, and when you take cube root on both sides you get r to be 0.04. Okay, so this is your working to get the common ratio r. This is what they asked for in the first part. The second thing is they need the first term, that means a. So we will substitute back this in your a equation and you will get it. 8 is equals to 75 times 1 minus r. So we will get it to be 75 times 1 minus 0.04. And sorry, I think so r is 0.4. wait, yeah, I mistakenly write instead of 0 0.4 0.04, so 0.4. okay, and 1 minus 0.4 would be, okay, times 75 will give you 45. And yes, that's all. This is your whole working for question 4. okay, hope you understand everything.